Hello everyone, this is going to be a hotel room tour at the Homewood Suites by Hilton Albuquerque Airport location. This is going to be a 1 king bed suite. I'm in room 330, facing west. Let's go in. We have RFID. And here's a look at the room right as you enter. Off to the left we have a full body mirror, and to the right we have the kitchen area. There's a little table here with 2 seats, and then over here we have the countertop and sink area. We have a sink here, built-in garbage disposal. We actually have a dishwasher. It looks like a full-size dishwasher. Looks like full-size GE dishwasher. And then we have a hot plate stovetop over here, electric, also GE. And then we have a microwave oven, pretty large, looks like 1,000 watts. And then up here we have more storage. There's a toaster. Over here we have the plates and bowls, as well as another bowl, I guess for the microwave. And then in here we have the glasses and mugs. Coming down to the counter, they give you some coffee and tea, and then a 2-cup coffee maker by Cuisinart. There's the garbage disposal. And then over here we have the full-size refrigerator and freezer. Up at the top we have a freezer. And there are some of my ice blocks, ice packs. And then down here we have the full-size fridge. I put some stuff in there, as you can see, but there's plenty of room. And it all looks fairly clean. Temperature controls right there at the top. And coming over here to the main living area, we have a little side table here with the hotel phone and a lamp and built-in power outlets. And then we have a good-sized couch here, looks pretty new. And then a red ottoman or footrest or whatever you call it. And then we have one seat here that my backpack's sitting on. And then over here we have extra space. I put the luggage rack there and put my luggage on it, but normally the luggage rack's in the closet. And here's the television and the television cabinet. They're using DirecTV HD service. I'll give you a quick preview of it. Yeah, so it's an LG TV, looks like a 40-something inch TV. And then over here, I knocked over the guidebook. I still have it here. Hotel guidebook. Plenty of information in there. And then coming out here we have the window and kind of like an older AC unit of Frederick, controlled by the wall. There's a look out to the west. There are a bunch of other hotels here: Hyatt Place, Staybridge Suites, Holiday Inn, Comfort Inn. And this window does open a little bit, as you can see at the bottom there. Okay, so let's go over. Oh, look, there's a TV there. So let's go over to the bedroom area. And before we get there, there is the thermostat. I guess you can't put it below 70 degrees, probably for the cool mode or something like that. Over here is the bedroom area. I got the 1 king bed suite. You see, pretty spacious here in the bedroom area, a lot of extra room. Have another TV, looks like the same size, same DirecTV HD service. And then attached to the television cabinet, we have a little work desk over here. It's a pull-out drawer, guidebook for New Mexico, and there's the office chair. Then we have a similar AC unit over here. This one looks like in worse shape. You can see it has some broken vents. It's even missing its logo. And then we have the other hotel phone over here. And then we have another lamp. And I think right behind this wall there's another guest room. It might actually be like another bed, like at the same opposite side, because you could hear some noise in the night. Both the fan, it's kind of loud. Let me turn on the fan for the AC unit. So you can hear the fan. It's a pretty loud fan. So I guess that could be both good and bad depending on what you like. White noise in the night. You can have it always run. And then here's the other thermostat. This one has some segments broken at the end, you can see. And then you have another nightstand here. I have a clock. Some power outlets over there on the lamp too, and USB ports. Then moving over here, we have the bathroom area. And it's a separate toilet, shower, tub area, and sink. So you have the vanity and sink over here. And there I am. We have a small vanity sink area. But there's a sink. Kohler works okay. I have a hair dryer in one of these drawers here. All these drawers in the whole place, they like to slam a lot. Then over here behind the panel, we have the closet area. Down there's the in-room safe. They have a bunch of coat hangers and some spare bedding. I'm not sure if it has a sofa bed or not. And then tucked away over here, we have the iron and ironing board. Then over here we have the toilet and shower area. Separate light right outside. Toilet and shower area, pretty typical. Another Kohler. Towel rack there, shower. And it looks like it works okay, except for that drain doesn't always stay up. So the water tends to pool down there. And there's a look at the vanity, better look at it. And there's an overview of the bedroom area. And here is the main part of the room. Now let's go ahead and go look at some of the public areas of the hotel. Okay, here we are outside, and over here we have the pool area with a small hot tub. But it's closed for the season, as you can see. Over here you have like a little seating area, barbecue area. And then you have a sport court. It doesn't look like it's locked or anything. Basketball, I guess you could do other stuff. Here's a look at the court. Has like a rubberized mat and a basketball with just, I guess that's the 3-point line, the little dash one if you can barely see it. I guess you have to either bring your own equipment or you just ask the front desk. There's like a little courtyard kind of area in between the different parts of the hotel. I'm on that end over there, but it wraps around like the letter C. And over there is the front desk lobby area. But before we go in there, let's go look at the seating area outdoors. I guess they still have this open, but we have outdoor seating and 2 barbecue grills. Look pretty worn out, pretty used. Large table here. The pool and the court are open from, I guess, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. But let's go ahead and go into the lobby. So in here is the lobby area. A little seating area over here. Fireplace in the center. And we have some coffee, I guess self-serve coffee here. And off to the left is where they have the breakfast area. Hours are from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Monday through Friday, and on the weekends 7 to 10. Anyways, moving over here, we have the main front desk area. Another seating area here, another side of the fireplace. There's a little shop there, you have to inquire for prices. And there's the front desk. And there's the entryway. Then over here, they usually have conference rooms. 2 computers over here for the business center and a printer fax machine. A large capacity conference room. They have some guest laundry. Here's guest laundry, $1.50 for wash and $1.50 for dryer. There are a bunch of guest laundries, at least one on every floor. And then over here is one elevator. And then the ice machine is located near the second elevator. Before we get there, we have a fitness center by appointment only. Looks like they have 2 treadmills, an elliptical, some weights, some presses. And then up ahead is the second elevator and ice machine. Here's the elevator area right here. They're playing some copyrighted music. And let's see here. Here's the ice area. I'll just let you look in. It's just an ice machine there and a chair. Normally they'd have a vending machine, but they have the little shop at the front desk area. So that's going to be pretty much it for this full hotel tour of the Homewood Suites Albuquerque Airport location. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out more travel videos, including new driving videos that will be coming to the channel soon.